Today we will be demonstrating to you how to apply our TecStone Pointing mix to your product. In this video we have used a TecStone block as an example of how to apply our pointing mix to this wet cast limestone product. The pointing mix will also be formulated to match as near as possible the colour of your Haddonstone product. In this particular case, the colour is Bath. The tools used in this demo are a small spatula, a rubber pad, a trowel, a sponge and a bucket. When you order your TecStone pointing mix, you will receive a bag of cement, a set of instructions and a large bag of limestone. We recommend mixing the powders at a 4:1 ratio, in this particular case 4 parts limestone to 1 part cement. Do not mix the entire bag of cement and limestone together, as this will leave the mix unsuitable for use. Using a trowel, mix the cement and limestone together, then add water and mix well until you end up with a putty-like mixture. Remember to mix well enough to remove any dye, as remaining dye can stain your product. Using the rubber pad and in a similar process to grouting, take the mixture and gently apply and smooth it over into the joints of the product. Finally, take a wet sponge and, at a 45-degree angle, gently run it across the joint to remove any excess mixture. This must be done while the pointing mix is still wet. A similar process to grouting ceramic tiles.